Are accent walls worth it? In brief, think over the entire interior. Make the accent wall coincide with the rest of the design details in color. Use color accents to correct the space geometry. Watch the video for details. If you decide to implement ideas from the video in your apartment, you can purchase the furniture and accessories you liked from the links in the pinned comment. At one point, accent walls were super popular. Designers widely used this technique in their projects, and apartment owners did their best to cover any protruding parts of the wall with contrasting wallpaper. Today, accent walls are no longer as popular as they used to be, but it's too early to say farewell to them. Tip 1. Don't take the word accent literally. The goal of an accent wall is to improve the general perception of your interior, or probably to correct shortcomings of the layout. To unite the decoration, furniture and accessories into a single whole, without becoming a separate design object that attracts all the attention. Thus, don't try to simply paint one of the walls a contrasting color. All you'll get is a strange eye-catching spot, which will finally become irritating. Indeed, the accent wall doesn't have to be bright. So, if you aren't sure that you can organically integrate bright colors into your interior, use wallpaper with a muted pattern or graphic ornament. This is a perfect solution for small rooms. You can use tiles, wooden panels or clapboard instead of wallpaper. Tip 2. Use different colors for room zoning. Accent walls can be used as an element of visual zoning of large, multifunctional rooms. But make sure that the colors and the pattern of the wallpaper correlate with the rest of the interior elements. If you want something unusual but are too scared to experiment, paint the end wall or the space surrounding a window a contrasting color. This decision minimizes the risk of making a mistake. And keep the purpose of each zone in mind. For example, wallpaper with a large geometric pattern will be suitable for a conventional living room, and bright shades are appropriate for the children's room. To separate the sleeping area, you should decide on wallpaper with a medium-sized pattern, neutral paint or tile of the same color palette. 3. Use accents to hide layout drawbacks. In their projects, designers usually make accents on beams or projections of the wall. But keep in mind that this solution requires certain knowledge. Otherwise, you risk getting a strange combination with the accent wall existing independently from the interior. If you have a niche in your room and you want to attract attention to it, paint the walls on both sides of the opening a contrasting color. On the contrary, if you want to disguise it, decide on the contrasting central zone. You will get an interesting illusion, as if you're looking at a single space. The walls on both sides of the niche will simply merge with the main wall decoration. This technique looks impressive and will help to make the space look visually wider. You can make a wagon room more spacious if you paint the end walls a dark color, or cover them with wallpaper with a large white pattern. The lighter side walls will look shorter, and the room will no longer resemble a tunnel. Thanks for watching. Check out other videos with the ideas for interior and click the bell button to stay in touch. You will find the links to the furniture and accessories you liked below the video. Let your home be cozy and embrace the changes.